A few days ago, I created a project. It's called CGPA grading system. Now I'm gonna show you how the system is working behind the scene and how this program is running. So I am just running this program by F9, and you can see the splashing screen is writing in the text, and it's taking a name. So it's a login panel. So I have to just put this login or username. So this username is admin and the password is admin123. So it taking this input and it takes login and access this portal. So this CGPA system is based on my university's grading system. For example, or for reference, I am showing my university's grading system. So this function is for my university's grading system. You can see these numbers. This is the numbers, and this is the grading, which is returning this grade and points. So if you want to modify this program, or you want to apply your universities CGPA's grading system, then you can simply change those and run this program. Then this will this then this program will working fine. So basically, my my project is all about taking users input or student inputs, students name and ID, and name and ID, and taking students courses and credits and marks, and calculating their CGPA, total CGPA system. So first of all, I need to input my students entry. So I so in the input area, I just press 1 and hit enter. So this program is taking me to the uh, creation of the student entry. So it's saying how many students do you want to create. I want to create 2 students. So first student, I should put my name and Rafi or Omar, and it is asking about my ID. This ID should be unique. So suppose my ID is 1001, and is asking for another student. As example, I simply writing any name or just random Anik Anik sorry Anik. So I should give a unique ID. So the unique ID should be 1002, the next one. So this program is taking this input, and it is storing in a file. It's called database.txt. So this database.txt is storing their student all students informations and CGPA. So this program is I need to press any character or number. So I am pressing any one or something, and pressing enter. So this program is taking back to my previous sections. So, and if my program is working fine, to check and verify, I should press 3. There is an option, it's called view all. It In this option, you can see all the information that I put, or take this program input from me. So if I hit 1 and hit enter, so you can see there is 2 IDs and 2 names. One is Rafael Omar, which is my name, and there is another. which is Anik. That is the random name I took, and you can see there is a lot of zeros. So this is the initial values that should not be, doesn't belong. So we have to change it later. For initial statement, for initialization or initial value, I just put it 000. So if I continue, hit any or press any number or any character and simply enter. And if I want to add my courses to my IDs or to calculating my CGPA, so simply I had to press 2 and hit enter. Entry courses and marks it shows and enter. So I want to add my courses and credit to my account which is ID 1001. You can see my ID is 1001 and name is the Rafiul Omar and initial value is 0.00 CGPA. So how many courses do you want to add? Suppose I took three courses. So number one course, enter course credit. I should credit number of this course. So I suppose this credit is also four credit course, and I should this mark. Probably I told you that I am gonna using my university's grading system. I want to take as B positive or B plus. So this number is 87, equal to 87 or greater than 87. So I am simply hitting 87 or greater than 87. So there is the marks. And the second, it asking for second course credit. So second course credit is 3, and this marks is I will marks this I will taking B is 83 and greater than 83, and it's asking for third one. So the third one is I should this third one credit, and third one credit should 3, and taking a positive which is 93 and upper 93. So 93, and this program is are doing in background their process. So the background process is mainly it's taking this input and taking credit marks and generating students CGPA and calculating and storing to the database.txt file and updating. So for the continuation, I hit any key or any number and enter. So if I want to see my calculated CGPA, which I uh, enter it. So it should be 3. So for viewing, so you can see my CGPA is 3.42, and I completed course 3, which I put the number of courses is 3, and the total course is 3 because for 3 total course is uh, credit is 3, 4, and 3 something, and total GPA is 34.20, and total CGPA is 3.02. And second ID, I should put also I should enter it second user as well. So you can enter previous way that I showed you, but I don't want to. I just hitting continue, and if I want to search my ID or student ID, simply I entered 4 for the searching and ID 1001 for the searching purpose. You can see that there is we get the result that name is Rafiul Omar and ID is 1001. So I completed course 3 and total credit is 10 or means 10, and total credit is and CGPS. And so I am hitting enter, and for the previous section, and if I want to see the second ID, which is 1002, you can see this ID is not updated. This is in the initial state. So I want to go back and want to add another, or add second names or second IDs course. So enter student ID to add. So I want to 1002 for its grade and course details. So 102, and the name is Anik, and CGPA, initial CGPA is 0.00. How many course do you want to add? 1 to 2, and course credit is 3, and 1 2 is 93. 93 is probably A for our grading system, and hitting enter, and the course long 2, and credit is 2, and marks will be 3.3 is B, good, is 83. So there's 83, and this is calculating in the background. So if I want to view all, you can see there is updated form is Anik updated 2, and total credit 5, and total GPA 18.0, and his CGPA is 3.60. So normally I am hitting this enter, and if I want to search Anix ID, which is 1002, you can see there is the result, and I am hitting for back. I am hitting I and hitting back. So I want to reset all my informations which I input. So you can press simply 5 and hit enter, and you can see there is no information in this program. So hitting 3 and enter, you can see there is empty. And if you want to search for any ID, you get a message which is student ID not found. So this program is working fine and smoothly, and you can see that this program is storing this information in a file. Let me show you how this program is storing this state in a file, which I can access if I close this program and run several times. So for example, I just creating student 2 is first of all Rafi Ulomar, and student ID 102, and for example uh, Anik, and 1002, and this, and entering courses 1002 to my course is equal 3, and 93 for credit, course credit is equal 3, and for marks is 93, and course 2 is equal course credit is 2, and this mark is 83, and credit is 4, and this credit is we should less or be negative 2.80 80 80, and this is calculating, and I can view this information is in here. If I close this program hitting 0, and this, if I run again and several times, it's logging back, and if I log in with ID and password, if I view this information 3, you can see this state is retrieving data from the text file and showing us. So this is the program, how it's work. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing, that um, my login system. So my login system ID password is user defined admin, and this password is admin123. If you find any error, or if you forget your ID or password, you can simply change in this string, you can simply type your name. Sorry, your name. Probably it should be name, uh, name and your password. Your password. So let it be previous one. Uh, that's why. And if I show you how this login system works, so uh, so I am accessing this false or invalid name and invalid password. So it showing the message of both username and password invalid, and hitting this. So and 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 entering the correct name and incorrect password, this, and it's saying this invalid password, so invalid name and correct password, so invalid username. And if I log in admin and 123 all correct I name and password, you can see this program is accessing a login panel, and this is my actual project. You can copy this code and modify, applying to your projects, and you can also contribute this project. Thank you so much for watching my project, and give me feedback. And also you can contact me if you want to make a project C or C++. Um, that would be really awesome. Thank you so much for watching.